Okay, so Samsung finally has an OLED TV. No, I'm not wrong. Yes, they do have an OLED TV, and honestly, it's about time. Now, this is actually Samsung's QD-OLED TV. They're just calling it Samsung OLED, but I am truly impressed because Samsung is bringing the full weight of their QD-OLED technology here, as well as also some really incredible pricing for it, especially compared to the competitors out there. Now, you're wondering, okay, what is QD-OLED? I've kind of heard that name before. Well, you've heard it here on this channel. We covered the Alienware QD-OLED monitor, AW3223DW, whatever, that's kind of the name. But that was an amazing monitor and I absolutely love it. It has so many great features, especially with that QD-OLED panel. But honestly, go check out that review. We'll have a link for you here. Now, what makes QD-OLED special and why is Samsung having an OLED display? Well, QD-OLED brings in a ton of features and new technology, allowing you to have something that's totally different. When you compare it to an LCD or an OLED, you can see the differences within the panel framework and what makes it different, and just in terms of just how many layers in there with its BP panels, QD panels, all that fun stuff. But you're looking at this TV and going, why should I care? Well, it brings a ton of features. Number one, of course, is those true blacks. That is what an OLED is known for, and you're gonna get it with this TV. But because you're getting those true blacks, of course, normally with OLED, you don't get the brightness, and you do with QD-OLED. This can go up, pick brightness up to 1500, and you get that maximum range of true blacks and also peak brightness with this TV. Now, this TV is powered by Samsung's QD neural network processor, so you're getting that QD 4K processing in there, something that Samsung has done, of course, with all their TVs in the past. So you should see a lot of those features built in there. And in terms of other things you see, of course, you get some nice color volume because QD-OLED gives you better color volume range across the board. You're also going to get, of course, better viewing angles no matter where you sit. So if you're sitting center stage like I am here, or if you're sitting to the offside, you will be able to view this TV with the best picture quality possible. Now, we got to see it at Samsung's demo, so we only got to see demo cycles. We didn't get to see any footage, so I apologize, I don't have that for you, but we will be getting this TV in-house to showcase more. Now, the TV has a ton of features in there. It's got Wi-Fi built in, but it is Wi-Fi 5. From what I'm seeing, it is super thin, by the way. Oh my God, this thing is impressively thin. I can put my wallet there and you see how thin my wallet is and see how thin this TV is altogether. Of course, it's got multiple HDMI ports, support HDMI 2.1, as well as also has a refresh rate of 120 Hz. So of course, your gaming, especially with your Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5, will meet the test that you want it to. Now, Samsung also has an updated remote control in here that allows you to do a lot of things. Now, besides the normal functionality of jumping into your favorite streaming services and also being a very compact remote, it's got 3 charging options. You can charge via USB Type-C. There are no more replaceable batteries. You've also got solar charging with your indoor lights, whatever lights you have in the house, as well as also radio waves. So it charges with radio waves and indoor lighting, which means it will constantly be powered on and you most likely never have to charge this bad boy. That is pretty cool. Now, to top it all off, there are 2 sizes. There's a 55 and a 65 inch. And guess how much it costs? This 55 is $2,500 and the 65 is $3,000. That is almost $1,000 less than its competitor out there. So we'll have to see how good this TV is and if it's worth picking up. But I'm excited to see more. Let me know what you think, because this is going to be something that's going to change a lot of people's mindsets. So this is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy entertainment.